Hi guys and gals, I just got my new Zard exhaust installed on my BMW R9T Cafe bike, and I'm telling you, it is a beautiful piece of equipment. Looks great on the bike. You know, I've got the tail tidied up on the bike, got the mirrors off, and this just kind of completes the look. It is, like I say, a beautiful piece of equipment, and it sounds great. I've left the DB killer in it. I've also left the flapper valve operational in the Beamer. So let me fire it up here and you can take a quick listen to it.